Hey, BVC players, and this is all teams, all age levels. Hopefully, you're watching this. Hopefully, you will join us for our practice on tomorrow, Tuesday at 6 o'clock. I want you to be there at 5:50, checking in, so I can kind of make sure everything's getting there. When you get there, I want you to turn off your microphone, but turn on your camera. So again, turn off your microphone, turn on your camera. I will be clicking through between all the different cameras, and kind of checking in on what you're doing. So whenever you're doing your practice or doing a skill, I want you to set up your computer, your phone, your device, so I can actually see you doing your practice and workout. So I will click in on you. I'll say some different things, like I might say, hey Amelia, great job doing blah blah blah, or hey Maddie, make sure when you're doing that, I need you to do this, or whatever it might be. So everyone should be have their a device ready to go. I'm making this video so you kind of understand what's going to happen. You're going to design your own practice. I'm going to tell you, okay, now we're going to go do this. And then you're going to go do what is best for you as a volleyball player. What is best for my 16-1s setter or outside hitter or middle blocker is not what's best for my 12-2s player who may not even know their position yet. So you have to kind of direct this towards your own skill level where you're currently at. And there's lots of drills in here that can be good for beginners. There's lots of drills for more advanced players. And hey, if you are a more advanced player, you have the freedom to create your own drill that makes it even more advanced. Don't just go based on these drills, but create your own. Go off 1 foot, stand on some unsteady platform and make it more challenging. Whatever you need to do, do something to make it more challenging if you have to. Okay, let's get started here. The first thing we are going to do, and you can see it right here, I'm going to try and highlight this if I can. We're going to do a dynamic workout. So everyone's got to watch that dynamic workout. It's the first 2 minutes of that. We will do everything within that first 2 minutes, so make sure you're ready to go with that. We're going to do that. Then I want you to write down on a sheet of paper. So I'm going to give you a ton of videos to watch here. You're going to watch them. You're going to see different passing drills, setting drills, hitting drills, blocking drills, you name it. There's going to be a lot of information coming at you. I want you to write down like 5 or 6 that you think are really good for you to do. So write down 5 or 6 good passing drills. Then write down 5 or 6 good setting drills. Write down some hitting or attacking drills. The blocking drills, I don't know that there's a lot to write down. You can actually add to it, though, the footwork of the blocking. Certainly add that to it. Serving is a difficult one. When we're inside a house, it's a difficult one. So we're all doing the same thing there. And most of the girls who've been with me in any form, whether it's camp or what have you, have done the serving ones. Then I've got 5 videos. These first 5 videos right here, guys, these are overall videos. Okay, these 5 right here really hit on all the different skills. There's a ton of things being thrown at you. Write down the good passing ones you like, the good setting ones you like. Oh, I like this hitting one, or I like that blocking one, or this is a really good footwork thing. Write down those drills that you like, and be able to go back to these, okay? There's some really good ones in here. The one in particular, no, I like them all. I'm being honest, I like them all. By the way, to anyone who's a 15-year-old, you're a 9th grader right now, this home training one, you got to watch that one. At the very end, you might recognize someone in that video. It's quite cute. So, all right, then what we're going to go to first is after we've done our dynamic workout, we are going to go to passing. So we are going to be working on our passing. Here are 3 more passing videos. I want you to watch them all. The first one is talking about form and different things. I want you to watch it and make sure you're understanding that. Less experienced players, go ahead and do those. More experienced players, you may want to move on from that. This is a passing one. I want everybody to do it right here. This one, everyone is going to do this. I don't care what your age level is. I don't care what your skill level is. It's a good one for everyone. Then, if you have the ability to do this, if you have someone else in the household with you, check out this one. It's an advanced one. It's a little tougher. I do some private lessons for my 16-1s and 16-2 liberos, and I do this every single time with them. So it's a really good drill right there. Then we're going to setting next. Yep, everyone's favorite. We're doing setting next, but we might as well take this time right now to get good at setting, girls. Let's be the best setting team on the planet right now. So the first one right here is a really good one. I have used this girl for a long time just to give me the basics. And I literally watch her every single year because I keep picking up new things. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell them about this, or I forgot to tell about that. So I watch this one every single year. It's great. Please watch it so you kind of remember some of those things. Then, this is an Olympian who demonstrates this. Is she good? Yep, she is really good at what she does. But try and start to work on what you're doing with this one. Look at her drills that she does in her setting drills. And then another one, you've already done this one. Well, I shouldn't say you've done it. Many of you have done this who are doing the at-home challenge. You've already done some of these. So you'll recognize this one, but I definitely want you looking at that one and doing the very best. Obviously, that scissors setting one is for my far more advanced players. And when I say advanced players, I mean advanced in my setting ones. Probably my best one of that drill that I know of so far actually comes from my 12-1s team, who's doing a great job with their scissors set. So, all right, next one, serving video. Not a lot we can do with serving from home. You're going to recognize how to do these things, but this is the time to refine those tools, your tosses and your wall traps. This is the time to do it. And these two do a really good job of explaining it. So I really like how they do it. I hate saying one's better than Coach Anderson, of course, but these two do a really nice job. So, and then we're going to do some hitting and attacking. So we're going to go to this one next, hitting and attacking. I got to tell you, anyone who likes hitting and attacking, I saw this one last summer. This is the best hitting arm swing video I've ever seen. We are going to have you do the first 7 minutes and work on some of the things from the first 7 minutes of it. But anyone who wants to be a hitter, an attacker, a blocker, you name it, I want you to watch that entire video. I know it's like a half-hour long, but it is fantastic. Has some incredible information in there. And then the second one is just really good. So it's a good at-home hitting drills. Gives you some things you can work on as a hitter from at home, even inside your house. Your volleyball might hit the wall a few times, but that's a really good one as well. Then we go to blocking drills. Okay, the first one is 2 younger players doing it, but I want all of you doing what these 2 younger players are doing. It's not only good for blocking, it's a good workout, it builds up your strength. Everyone needs to do this. And then the second one, same thing. It's a really good workout for all. So, and some of the people who are doing the at-home challenge will recognize the second one, or those who are with me on my practice, the trial practice that I did last Thursday, you'll recognize that one as well. But I want you all doing those blocking drills. So everyone will be doing the same thing on the blocking drills. Then we got the star footwork one. You guys should recognize this video as well if you did my challenge, at-home challenge. But otherwise, watch that one. We're going to do both levels of that. I do want at the end of the first one that she goes through, she says, hey, coaches, you can have them add a fake pass at the end. And yes, I do want you doing that fake pass every time at the end of that one. And then the second one, you'll understand that with the burpees on there. Hey guys, that's what our practice is going to look like. It's going to take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. I will see you tomorrow. Be there by 5:15. Signed up on your video, so I got making sure everything works because I want to get started right at 6 o'clock. If you show up at 6:01, you're going to be a little lost because I'm already into it at that point. That's all I got, guys. Can't wait to see you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.